safety precaution, sinuspinde ng LGU ang lahat ng trabaho at klase sa Surigao del Norte matapos tumama ang lindol kaninang umaga. At makakausap po natin ngayon, Surigao del Norte Governor Robert Lyndon Barbers. Governor Barbers, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Kamusta po dyan?
Ay, magandang gabi din sa iyo, Miss Pinky. Okay naman, normal and calm ang ating mga kababayan dito sa Surigao del Norte.
Um, Ilan at gaano ho kalakas yung mga aftershocks?
As
Alright.
Tonight, we have a total logging point 24 kilometers off General Luna. No? Ay yung pinakalas na naramdaman doon sa island ng Siargao around 5:44 p.m. this afternoon. 2.3 magnitude.
Governor Barbers, pasensya na po, hindi maganda ang ating linya ng komunikasyon. You're coming in and out. So, susubukan po namin ulit, tawagan po kayo para po magkaintindihan tayo at malaman po natin ang sitwasyon ng ating mga kababayan dyan. Balikan po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Governor Barbers. Balikan natin si Surigao del Norte, Governor Robert Lyndon Barbers. Governor Barbers, muli magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Yes, Pinky, magandang gabi sa inyo ulit sa'yo. Okay.
Pasensya na ho. Yes, sir. Kanina po tinatanong ko kayo, nakailan na ho at gaano po katindi yung mga naramdaman na aftershocks?
Yes. Kanina, ang last aftershock was around 5:44 p.m. based sa ating REDAS. REDAS is Rapid Earthquake Damage Assessment System wherein naglag po ng 2.3 magnitude 24 kilometers off General Luna in Siargao Island. So that was the last na naramdaman natin kasi kaninang around 2:51 in the afternoon, there were 81 aftershocks. And then now, we have a total of 93 aftershocks.
Meron ho bang ulat ng mga damage and even casualties, Governor?
Well, initial report that we have received from the different MDRR offices sa different municipalities, especially along the coastal areas, zero to minimal damages, no? Mga cracks lang, mga maliliit na crack, mga ganyan. Tapos wala po tayong mga injured, wala rin po tayong mga casualties. That's
good to hear, Governor, kasi doon sa mga video na aming pinakakita, parang ang tindi din, ang lakas nung lindol.
Yes, oo. Ang awa ng Diyos, ang nangyari naman talaga, Miss Pinky, is that sandali lang talaga, hindi siya yung matagal, no? It was less than 6 seconds, no? More or less 4 to 6 seconds lang. Kaya siguro walang ganong damage and wala po tayong mga gumuhong mga istruktura.
Pero patuloy pa rin po ang pag-check, I'm certain, no, Governor, sa mga istruktura.
Yes, continuous po tayo. In fact, I have not lifted the blue alert status, which means that heightened monitoring kami po ngayon. The same thing with our different municipalities, different LGU. So, continuous po yan. So, we have not lifted yet the blue alert status in the province.
Are there any reports, sir, of the down power lines? Meron ho ba mga lugar na walang kuryente sa mga oras na ito?
Wala naman po. Since this morning, up to this point in time, we have water, we have kuryente, tapos meron din po tayong telecommunication.
Alright. Ilan po ang masasabi niyong apektado ng lindol, especially yung mga kababayan natin na nakatira malapit sa Dalampasigan?
Yes. I have here yung mga LGUs na nag-declare ng suspension of classes since this morning, no? Of course, from Siargao Island, we have General Luna, San Benito, Socorro, and Del Carmen. And then dito naman po sa mainland, Alegria, Bacuag, Claver, Mainit, Placer, San Francisco, Sison, and Higakit. So a total of 12 LGUs out of 21. However, sa ating pong mga coastal area municipalities, all water-related activities are suspended until further notice.
So wala pong kinailangan na ilikas o sa mga oras na ito ay nananatili sa mga evacuation centers?
Wala naman po, including this morning, Ms. Pinky, no, what we did, what the municipalities did, yung ating mga mayors, is nilikas ang mga kabataan outside of the classroom. No? So, insofar up to this point, we have not received any reports na meron pong mga nasa evacuation centers.
Would you be able to tell us, Governor, kung kailan magkakaroon ng desisyon para po i-lift yung suspension ng classes?
Siguro until, anyway, by tomorrow, it's Saturday, wala naman talagang klase. So, we'll continue the monitoring
Okay.
no, of our operation center. And then by tomorrow, we will come up with another advisory if pwede na namin i-lift yung blue alert status.
Kahit pa paano, no, Governor, maganda po yung balita na wala pong nasaktan, wala pong nasirang mga estruktura, at wala pong nasugatan. Pero in spite of that very strong earthquake, in the meantime, sir, we wish all of our kababayans there well, including you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. Surigao
Yes,
del
thank you,
Norte, Governor Robert Lyndon Barbers. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Pinky. Thank you very much.